my name is Kai Pruyn. I'm a student at the Rocky Mountain Center for Occupational and Environmental Health. I'm doing a PhD in mechanical engineering and I'm on the robotics track. My high school chemistry teacher really encouraged me to go into biomedical engineering because I loved chemistry and it kind of combines the idea of medicine and helping people with a lot of the biological aspects. And while I was there, I actually fell in love with powered prosthetics specifically. I got to do an undergraduate research experience where I started in the HGN lab for bionic engineering as a freshman, which is really unique. And that opportunity led me to fall in love with the robotics of prosthetics and powered exoskeletons. At the HGN lab, we're building and testing devices that are powered, so they have motors in them, and the goal is to assist people who are living with limb loss or with another sort of physical disability. When I started doing research with the lab, I really focused on biomechanics. So we're going in and we're doing subject tests with people who've had amputations or have had strokes and have physical disabilities. As I was considering graduate school, I realized I really love the development of the devices and how do we make the device, design the device, control the device to be able to use it effectively. It was a happy accident finding the Rocky Mountain Center when I told Dr. Lindsay that I was interested in doing a PhD and interested specifically in doing it in mechanical engineering and robotics. He was the one who brought up the Rocky Mountain Center. And I knew about the Rocky Mountain Center from other people in lab going to journal clubs and talking about the experiences that they have discussing the papers and all the classes that they get to take, like ergonomics. And so Dr. Lindsay, as director of the Ergonomics and Safety program, encouraged me to look into it and decide if that was something I was interested in. I would say that just being around such a diverse group of students who all have a really similar goal of just helping the community, I think it's really inspiring to see all of the different students from all of the different programs kind of come together and address these real-world problems that we're facing. And having the experience of students who are maybe doing a residency versus me, a PhD student who's mainly in a lab all day, I think having those different perspectives really creates the best solutions to complex problems that we could have. And I see it happening while we're discussing papers in Journal Club and taking a critical view of what research has been done and how can we do it better and how can we continue contributing to the field in the best way that we can. And I think that that is really fundamental to what will be my success as a PhD student and a researcher.